Good morning, students. I am NIVEDITA SINGH of Marwadi College English Department. Today, I am going to take your online classes for elective English, that is of 100 marks. As in previous video, we have started the textbook Kaleidoscope. Today, we will continue with the lesson number 3. Class 12 Elective English Textbook Kaleidoscope Section 3 Non-Fiction Lesson number 3 Filmmaking by Ingmar Bergman. First, the introduction. Ingmar Bergman is in this essay on filmmaking reveals all the pros and cons of filmmaking business. He says that he was interested in filmmaking since his childhood. He tries to tell the truth about the human condition, the truth as he sees it. He opens that all loses its basic creative drive the moment it is separated from worship. He states that individual has become today the higher form and the greatest ben of artistic creation. The smallest wound or pain of the ego is examined under a microscope as if it were of eternal importance. It is an introduction part of Ingmar Bergman's 4 screenplays. He discusses here how he views the art of filmmaking. He remembers the days when he used to bask in sunshine through the gigantic windows. He describes the reflection on sunlight across the picture of Venice hung there. He lived in a vicarage, hence understood that the religion as at his early age. He got from his grandmother a film projector with its chimney and lamp. He tells it as the first conjuring set. As the film in itself is based on fiction, he now understands it in a deceit and its influence on spectators merely as evoking their sentiments. He tells a hazy but agreeable event unrelated to any particular situation, and its starring is accompanied by vibrations and rhythms which are very special and unique to each film. The definite form of theme seems to them enough strength to be made into a film. Next step is that of transformation of rhythm, moods, atmosphere, tensions, sequences, tones, and scene into words and sentences so as to make from them an understandable screenplay. Then there comes the number to turn off the sensitive substance, that is dialogue. The rhythm of the film to record the inner structure of a film, a notation to put on paper all shades and tones of producer's vision is necessary. It often takes a tremendous effort to remember how I originally saw and thought out this or that consequences, or what was the relation between the scene of 4 weeks ago and that of today. The author tells that script is very imperfect will in alliance with the technical basis for a film. The written word is ready by a consequence act of the will in alliance with the intellect. In the process of motion picture making, will and intellect are put aside, and it is imagination that takes their place. Film and written literature. Irrational dimension of a literary work is untranslatable into a visual terms, and it destroys irritational dimension of the film. Writing of the script is a difficult period in which ideas are logically proved. Non-conventional development, that is the impulses of writer, are appreciated by the public. Teamwork is necessary while shooting starts because sometimes times disputes are arisen. The division of tasks among all fellows joined for shooting need very clear assignment. It is wrong to interrupt one's own work to others. It's because all people have right to understand a film. To generate public attraction in the film is the most essential to take care. The film director should pursue the script and shooting manner adopted a number of films released earlier. It is done as per public attraction by the by attraction they have created. Today up to this, we will continue in our next video.